Hi everyone, in this episode we focus on Hich and its double negation feature, and I show you how this feature can lead to one of the most common mistakes in Persian, and how you can easily remember and avoid it to sound like a native speaker. Hich means nothing when we use it on its own, but as a prefix in compound words it means no or none. For example, you remember that for never we have hiç vakt in Persian. Hiç vakt consists of vakt, which means time, and hiç. So hiç vakt literally means something like no time. Similarly, hicca, nowhere, consists of ja, place, and hiç, no. So word for word, it means no place. Hiç kes, no one, is made up of kes, person, and hiç. So in literal terms, it means no person. And for nothing, we have hiçi, in written form hiçiz, with cheese as thing. Now you might remember from our lesson on Persian adverbs of frequency that whenever we say hiç in Persian, our verb turns into its negative version. For example, if we want to say I never go out after midnight in Persian, we would use hiç vakt, never, together with the negative version of our verb, and we would say من هیچ وقت بعد از نیمه شب نمیرم بیرون. This is a real challenge for a lot of Persian learners, because languages like English do not use double negatives with words like never, nowhere, no one, and nothing when they want to convey a negative meaning. For example, saying I never don't go out after midnight in English would actually imply that I never miss a chance to go out after midnight. But this type of double negation in Persian doesn't cancel out the negative meaning at all, but rather reinforces it. For example, if we want to say nowhere's open after midnight in Persian, we would use hicca with the negative verb form نیست, and we would say بعد از نیمه شب هیچ جا باز نیست. Whereas in English, the verb is in the affirmative form. Nowhere is open after midnight. Similarly, for nobody is home, we would say هیچ کس خونه نیست. And for there's nothing under the bed, we say هیچی زیر تخت نیست. Because of this fundamental difference, learners of Persian tend to use Hich words together with affirmative verbs in Persian as well, making this one of the most common mistakes in Persian. But just remember the rule and you'll be fine. In Persian, Hich turns the verb into its negative version. So as soon as you say Hich in Persian, your verb turns negative, just like a spell. Now let's practice. We never eat breakfast. ما هیچ وقت صبحانه نمیخوریم. You get nowhere in a hurry. با عجله به هیچ جا نمیرسی. Almost no one likes Brussels sprouts. تقریباً هیچ کس کلم بروکسل دوست نداره. Nothing matters. هیچی مهم نیست. They never work during the holidays. اونا هیچ وقت در طول تعطیلات کار نمی کنن. There's no place like home. هیچ جا مثل خونه نیست. Nobody's perfect. هیچ کس کامل نیست. You know nothing, Jon Snow. تو هیچی نمیدونی جان سنو. You never go to sleep late, right? شما هیچ وقت دیر نمیخوابین، نه؟ There's nowhere to park in my city. توی شهرم هیچ جا برای پارک نیست. No one likes dusting. هیچ کس گردگیری دوست نداره. Nothing happens. Nobody comes. Nobody goes. It's awful. هیچی اتفاق نمیافته. هیچ کس نمیاد. هیچ کس نمیره. افتضاحه. Perfect. Now you know how to use Hich in double negation constructions to sound like a native speaker. Have fun with your Persian and see you soon.